Emerson Mnangagwa-led government is reportedly planning to incriminate the country's most popular opposition politician, also Chamisa, by implicating him in a land corruption scandal. Achiperi mushe muri Zimbabwe, toona kuti panapa panonzi Mnangagwa in a desperate move to arrest Chamisa. Toona kuti aiwa their plans avazova exposed. Sana bina mashuka budanyuka panapa, kuti subscribe or like or turn on the bell. Kuti pina mnaomu gamchinze. Recently, Mnangagwa appointed a commission to investigate the seat of Harare, which is under the control of Chamisa's former party, the Citizen Coalition for Change. According to the government spokesperson Nick Mangwana, the commission has gathered evidence allegedly linking Chamisa to directives instructing his councillors to allegedly seize land in the capital. Mangwana took to X, formerly Twitter, this week to lay the groundwork for Chamisa's planned arrest. In a post that lacks direct evidence implicating Chamisa, Mangwana claims the government possesses audio recordings of the charismatic opposition leader instructing two Tshisekedi councillors, Denford Gadzore and Kudzi Kadzombe, to engage in corrupt practices. This is not the first time Zanu PF is targeted Chamisa. In the run-up to the 2023 elections, Chamisa survived several assassination attempts. The ruling party then reportedly planted agents like Senzo Chabango Shmangwe and Tendai Biti to undermine Chamisa's leadership within the Citizen Coalition for Change. Domba shkwatuku panapa kuti aiwa, the ruling party Zanu PF is trying all its ways iri kuzama strategies ayo ose kuti arrest mtungamiri wemene opposition vanonzi Chamisa, vachiona kuti aiwa Chamisa is a threat. Chamisa ndiye munhu arodiwa nenyika yeZimbabwe, ndiye munhu asara ane stand up achida kuisa change, anyatsokuona kuti ndiye ari kuthreatena aiwa the ruling party. Tudze mafundo enyu moti kudii pamusoro pemaplanned arrest akadai. Pinai comment section medu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell.